Hello, welcome. If you are a beginner to gardening or you love having fun gardening, welcome to this channel. This channel is all about gardening, knowledge, sharing tips, and having fun doing it. So, today I'm going to show you how to grow or plant okra in a pot. Well, okra is one of the vegetables that we use in Ghana a lot. We use it for soup, stews, frying, deep frying, all sorts, so many things. And so I want to grow some myself and see how it will do. So because I buy it a lot, I use it a lot, so why not grow it myself? So that's what we are going to grow. I'm going to show you in this video how to do just that, and let's have some fun doing it. Alright, so this is okra. It says delicious in gumbos. Days to harvest is 53 days. And okra is a vegetable, so it has instructions here. The freshly ripped pods are very tender when picked at 3 inches in length. Great in cajun dishes or when fried or boiled by itself. Heavy production with regular picking. Now the plant instructions or planting instructions is sow 2 seeds every 18 inches directly in garden in full sun after all danger of frost and ground is warm. Thin to 1 plant every 18 inches when seedlings are 2 inches tall. Suggestions: it says pick pods when they become 3 to 4 inches long. If they are allowed to become mature, plants will stop producing. Okay, so one thing I know about okra, because in Ghana we do a lot of farming with okra. There are seasons that we plant them, because we plant them underground, so they can grow tall. I just don't know how it grows here, how tall they can grow, but then it produces well and it's very, very slimy. So let's see how this seeds looks like. Since this is my first time, I'm going to plant this in a pot and also here. So let's see how the seed looks like. So this is the seed, exactly the way it looks like the one we have in Ghana, the same color. So they said plant 2 in a pot. So this is days to germination is 12 to 14 days, and then planting depth is 3/4 inch, and then days to harvest is 58 days, and spacing or row plant is supposed to be 3 inch by 18. So we are just going to put this back in here, and we are just going to get 2 out of there because that's all I'm going to plant in one pot. So note that we still have, oh, I lost that one. All right, so we have 2. Oh, I lost the other one too. Okay, it fell in the soil. All right, so we have these 2 that we are going to plant. All right, so it says the dip should be 3/4 inch, so it's not up to 1 inch yet. So we are just going to go like that there. So let me dig the hole. So let's see, we put this in. So there, you can see right there. So I'm going to make that little hole there, and I think this should be it. Just there, because we don't want it to be too deep. All right, so then, oh, where is my seeds? Oh, they are gone. All right, let me get another one. I lost those 2 already. All right, so I'm getting 2 more. Okay. All right, so now we are just going to drop this in. I drop that in as well. Just give it a little space in between there, and then I'm going to put the soil back on it, and we don't want to cover it heavy at all. And then with this, we're just going to add a water. Alright, so we're going to start giving this water. In fact, I'm going to do it this way. Quickly. Just need 2 of these and it is good to go. Alright, so this should be enough water, and very soon you will see that the water started coming out of here. That means we're giving it a lot of water to help the germination process quickly. It takes 12 to 14 days for the okra to germinate, to start coming out. So we have 2 seeds in here. We're going to see how long it's going to take to come up. And I am going to mark this so I know this is yeah, so I know this is okra, so I will remember that it's okra in there. Okay, and I think that's it. And also, if you want to see how I plant sweet corn, you can watch that next video. Share this video with somebody if you think it will help them, and also leave any comment that you have, any ideas you have, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And as I say, it's going to be a lot of fun on this channel, so I will see you on that video, and let me show you how to plant the next thing. Let's go.